and just got a few photos, finished that roll. Not overly impressed, but there was a lot of drunk people stumbling around, so there's that. What's up, everybody? It's about 7 p.m. I am headed out to Key West right now. We're doing a photo shoot for Marine Video Productions tomorrow morning, but just to make things kind of more convenient, I'm driving out there tonight. It's about a 3 hour and a half drive. Obviously, I'm gonna be arriving there pretty late. I'm bringing the film cameras with me, however, so that I can kind of walk around at night and then on the drive back. But walk around, I have some Cinestill left over, see if we get any cool neons. I did a little bit of quick research. I saw some cool neon signs around there. I'm not really sure what the scene is like. Also bringing the FPV drone, because there is a specific bridge, I think it's called the Bahia Honda Bridge, that I want to hit up on the drive back. I've been wanting to FPV rip that. Quick little 2-day trip, and I will see you guys in the Keys. It's day one, or the final day here in Key West. We did get a few photos last night. I kind of walked around the Duval Street, New Orleans type of situation down there, and there was probably like 3 or 4 signs, neon signs, a few little scenes. So I started looking for kind of Key West looking scenes, and just got a few photos, finished that roll. Not overly impressed, but there was a lot of drunk people stumbling around, so there's that. So it's pretty choppy out here. We completed all the pretty much everything in photos actually, interiors and exteriors, and did the drone running shots. It's very choppy out here. Boat is bobbing around a lot, so I'm not gonna do the video, all the gimbal stuff out on the open water. We're gonna wait till we get back to the marina, finish that up, do a little bit of detail stuff.